This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make baklava sweet easy guide. Start by layering buttered phyllo sheets carefully and keep unused sheets covered. Press nuts and cinnamon between every few layers for even distribution. Bake until deep golden and prepare a warm syrup so it pours easily. Pour syrup over hot baklava so it soaks in, then let it rest several hours before cutting to keep layers crisp. Begin by gathering all ingredients so you don't rush during assembly. Toast nuts lightly to deepen flavor and chop them evenly for consistent layers. Melt butter and brush phyllo thinly to avoid soggy pockets. Simmer sugar, water, honey, and lemon until the syrup thickens slightly, then cool a bit before using. Assemble quickly to keep phyllo flexible, bake until golden, and combine hot pastry with warm syrup for ideal sweetness. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tasty recipes. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes in the kitchen because it's lightweight and glare-free, so you can follow steps without squinting. It holds thousands of cookbooks and lasts long between charges, making it a handy kitchen companion. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Handle phyllo gently and keep it covered with a damp towel to prevent cracking. Use a sharp knife to score before baking so cuts stay clean after syrup is added. If syrup cools too much, it won't soak in, and if it's too hot, it can make layers soggy, so aim for warm syrup and hot pastry. Store leftovers covered to maintain texture and reheat briefly for a fresh feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.